Today I'm going to be showing you how to crop a video on TikTok. Now even though TikTok has a built-in video editor in it, you still don't have an option to crop it within the application. For that you'll need to download CapCut, which is the most popular app that is used to edit TikTok videos. You can simply find it on the Play Store and the App Store. After you download the application, you can tap open it and tap on new project. From here, simply select the video that you want to crop. I'm just going to use a stock video that is available right here and tap on add on the bottom right. Now in order to cut the video, you simply need to tap on the video once. After the video has been selected, on the bottom you can see different kinds of options. You need to swipe left until you find an option of edit, which is this square right here. After you do that, again 3 options will open up and you'll need to tap on crop. Now you'll be able to manually crop it the way that you want it to be. You can also select any format if you want and then tap on the tick mark on the bottom right. And there you go, the video will be easily cropped according to the way that you want it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.